whenever they actually start playing, try to stay pretty close to the van, but try to get mostly like a little bit of van, but mostly matches. I've learned that you can just keep it going for 30 minutes. It don't matter. Where would be the best place for them to set up? Over here maybe? Or that's going to be a high traffic area probably?
Yeah.
No, where do you guys think you guys could set up right there in the middle? You got plugins right there in the middle, right?
They'll just do a acoustic.
Oh yeah, no plugging in or anything.
You think the middle will be a good spot?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. I'll go let Brett in and, well, I guess he can be the up there. He's just parking.
Is there a sink I can wash my hands in?
Right over there by that blue cooler.
Oh,
Got a big man to carry a big horn.
You're okay.
That's the biggest guy
They're gonna play
out
some
there.
music.
No, wrong one.
This is the tallest one, I mean. The tallest one out of us. Hi there. Hi, ma'am.
Yeah,
How are you?
I'm waiting for my son.
There you go. So he's just washing his hands and then just right in the middle.
Yeah, it's in there.
That's the only restroom.
Yeah.
Just right there. Can I wash my hands in that sink? It's better than that? There's a sink right here. He's washing his hands. Oh, okay. What made you bring the big one?
Dude, it was a uke base when it started. I just added water and it's been out of hand ever
Well,
since.
stop.
I fed it after midnight.
Grandpa's cough accident at the senior center. What is about? Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens.
Okay, we'll get rid of them.
Okay.
I'll let Lori know.
Just leave them there.
Yeah, we'll leave them there.
That's Billy.
Yes, ma'am. Yep. Sit here and listen to music.
It always does that. But if I leave it normal or sharp, if I flatten it, it's so flat. There's no trying to change the strings. It's still-
right, it could be a string change thing in an actually.
My dad played banjo too. Like, it's a nice hook you got there. It's about to get gnarly in here.
Like banjos?
Yeah, I'm half white.
I love
So
banjos.
white. Once we hear it, we're just like,
Yeah. Oh, there it is. stand in the center.
You want me to announce
In
you?
the center.
You can announce you a little bit? Announce you?
It's up to you, bud. Wait for May to show up.
Okay. Hello, everybody. I'm Derek from Back Home Media. We want to show a happy 4th of July. This is Grandpa's Cough Medicine from Jacksonville, Florida. They're playing Garden City tomorrow night and then Elkhart Saturday night. We wanted to come have them play a couple songs for you and just wish you a happy 4th of July. Just, give us a signal when you're ready for us to leave. Grandpa's Cough Medicine from Jacksonville.
Stand over here. That's all right.
Yeah. Happy 4th.
Yeah, right. We could do like on the red box and heat or something like that. That comes to mind. We could do Beaumont if you wanted to. That's a little taxing, in my opinion.
Let's do, how'd you like me and Lois?
Yeah. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Don't want you crying 'cause I'm leaving. Don't want you crying 'cause I'm blue. I'm hoping my thoughts make you lonesome. Wonder if you're lonesome too. Wonder if you're lonesome too. How would you like being lonesome when someone is through with you? My heart is sad and lonesome. Wonder if you're lonesome too. Wonder if you're lonesome too. Why should two lovers quarrel? Why should they be so untrue? I know what means to be lonesome. Soon you'll be lonesome too. Will you be lonesome too? How would you like being lonesome when someone is through with you? My heart is sad and lonesome. Wonder if you're lonesome too. Wonder if you're lonesome too. So give me your right hand, honey, and I'll say this farewell to you. I know what it means to be lonesome. Soon you'll be lonesome too. Soon you'll be lonesome too. How would you like being lonesome when someone is through with you? My heart is sad and lonesome. Wonder if you're lonesome too. Wonder if you're lonesome too. How would you like being lonesome when someone is through with you? My heart is sad and lonesome. Wonder if you're lonesome too. Wonder if you're lonesome too.
Sounds cool in here.
We can't go out, so we'll do some of
Yeah.
the A classics.
I would love that. Get one, Chris.
Okay, right on that.
No, sir. All right.
Do the roving gambler.
Yeah, let's do that. All right.
I am a roving gambler. I gambled all around. Whenever I meet with a deck of cards, lay my money down. Lay my money down. Lay my money down.
But they say if you over tighten it, that's bad. It's supposed to do that. A few men, no capers.
That's the way to go. One less thing to do, too.
Yeah, or to forget, right?
What next?
Let's think here. D-chord?
Way downtown?
Here we go. Ready?
1, 2, 3. Way downtown, fooling around, they took me to the jail. They told me to tell no one to go my bail. Well, late last night when Willie came home, I heard him rap that door. Slipping in the slide with his new shoes on. Willie, don't you rap no more. Way downtown, fooling around, they took me to the jail. They told me to tell no one to go my bail. Well, one old shirt is all that I've got, and $1 is all that I own. Didn't bring nothing with me into this whole world, take nothing when I go. Way downtown, fooling around, they took me to the jail. They told me to tell no one to go my bail. I wish I was at my sweet Sally's house, sitting in that big armchair, with one arm around this old guitar and the other one around you, dear. Way downtown, fooling around, they took me to the jail. They told me to tell no one to go my bail.
Thank y'all. Yeah. Yeah, it is.
I crack those knuckles.
What are your travel names?
The band name?
The bandit?
The band name is Grandpa's Cough Medicine.
Yeah.
Okay.
Grandpa's Cough Medicine.
Do you have any CDs with you?
We sure don't. No,
Shoot.
all our music's on the internet these days.
I was just gonna buy me a couple of CDs.
I can bring some by, so I live here in Elkhart, I can bring some of their music by sometime for you. It's on the internet though.
Well, this is,
Thanks, man. We're getting like, Thanks, Ohio.
Hmm?
Thanks, Ohio. We're not there yet.
But we do Pike County Breakdown. not so much?
No, we can do it. We won't, not like
You doing the GD or you just doing
How do you guys like it? You like it with the other chords?
I like both.
Yeah.
You just tell me what you're going to do. I'm going to go with you.
Alright, there we go.
Just do it with all the chords.
Okay.
Alright, 1, 2, 3.
Stayed. Would you believe that?
That's how much concentration it takes for that song. Haven't you chosen a bad one yet?
Thanks now.
Yeah.
I'll do a pretty one for you. Except it's a pretty one about murder. So, upside, downside, you know. 1, 2, 3. I asked my love to take a walk, just a little ways with me. And as we walked, and we were talking all about our wedding day. So darling, say that you'll be mine. In our home we'll happy be, down beside where the waters flow, on the banks of the Ohio. our home will happy be down beside where the waters flow on the banks of the Ohio. Very same day, about 4:30, Sheriff came up to my door. He said, young man, don't try to run. You must pay for the crime you've done. So darling, say that you'll be mine. In our home will happy be down beside where the waters flow on the banks of the Ohio.
Thank you much.
Thank you.
Knock off some of mine a little bit.
Yeah,
Yeah, I'm bigger than them.
okay. Want to do that one, or you want to do ranks? I mean,
Let's do,
Black
I'll
and
try
white.
some.
All right.
Yeah, as good as Nashville. Thank you. You got good taste.
End it off with Respect the Shine. Play one of our original songs here. And then we'll call it a day. We appreciate y'all listening. Glad to come play for y'all, and happy Independence Day to you.
Thank you for being here.
Yeah, our pleasure.
Glad to be here.
Alrighty.
My clothes, they are all wet. My life's a total wreck. All my friends, well, they are fighting bad. My tanning is all muddy. My hands are bruised and bloody. I've got the worst headache I've ever had. 'Cause I didn't respect the shine. Should've sucked a beer and wine. If I had my druthers, I'd go right back in time and spit it from my lips. I wouldn't take a sip. I'm in a world of trouble 'cause I didn't respect the shine. There's no money in my britches, my finger might need stitches. I came real close to breaking up the band. I had to apologize to all the gals and guys who witnessed me so far out of hand. 'Cause I didn't respect the shine, should've sucked a beer or wine. If I had my druthers, I'd go right back in time and spit it from my lips. I wouldn't take a sip. I'm in a world of trouble 'cause I didn't respect the shine. It's true that no clear liquor, it gets it done lots quicker, but it'll make you hang your head in shame. So respect that judder jar, don't tip it back too far, 'cause if you do, there's no one else to blame. I didn't respect the shine, should've sucked a beer or wine. If I had my druthers, I'd go right back in time and spit it from my lips. I wouldn't take a sip. I'm in a world of trouble 'cause I didn't respect the shine. I spit it from my lips. I wouldn't take a sip. I'm in a world of trouble 'cause I didn't respect the shine. Thank y'all. Happy Independence Day.
Thank you. Thank you for coming.
Yeah, thanks for listening, y'all.
Appreciate you guys.
Very good.